The Google Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL are here, and they're bringing some serious heat with their stunning displays, killer cameras, and sleek designs. But let's be real, with that premium price tag and glass construction, a good case isn't just an option, it's a must. Today, we're diving into the top cases that not only shield your Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL, but also complement their premium look. Whether you're about protection, style, or a bit of both, these cases have got you covered. Let's check them out. First on our list is the Poetic Revolution case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL, and this one's not messing around. It's 20 feet military-grade drop-tested, offering some serious protection from all angles. We're talking shock-proof, drop-proof, impact-resistant, and scratch-proof, all in one case. Plus, it has a built-in screen protector with a fingerprint stamp, which is a nice touch. And if you're not into built-in protectors, there's an extra front frame to use with your own tempered glass. The best part? It comes with a kickstand for hands-free viewing, making it perfect for watching videos or video calls. With extra raised lips and corners, your screen's going to stay safe from drops too. If you're looking for rugged protection without sacrificing functionality, the Poetic Revolution is definitely worth considering. Next up, we've got the Taurus 360-degree spin case, the ultimate blend of style, protection, and functionality. This case is all about blending style with serious protection. The crystal-clear design lets your Pixel's beauty shine through while fending off scratches and smudges. But it's not just a pretty face. It's built with military-grade protection, featuring air-guard corners and raised edges to keep your screen and camera safe from drops and scratches. The real game-changer here is the 360-degree swivel kickstand. Whether you're streaming a movie or making a video call, this stand's got you covered with flexible angles and super stable placement. Plus, it doubles as a ring holder, adding functionality without compromising on style. And with 18-Newton magnetic power, it's MagSafe compatible, offering a seamless experience for charging and mounting. Sleek, rugged, and multifunctional, this case ticks all the boxes. The Casology Nanop Pop, a case that strikes the perfect balance between style and protection. Available in a variety of two-tone color options, this case doesn't just look good, it's designed to be practical too. The silicone texture is great at keeping dust and dirt away, so it stays clean even when it's in your pocket. But it's not just about aesthetics. The Nanop Pop is built with military-grade protection, meaning it can handle drops and bumps without breaking a sweat. The raised edges around the camera ensure that the centerpiece of your Pixel 9 Pro stays scratch-free, while still being fully compatible with wireless charging. The bold, contrasting colors and camera ring design add a sporty, playful vibe, making this case not just protective but also fun. If you're looking for a case that delivers on both fronts, the Casology Nanop Pop is a solid choice. For those seeking rugged protection that doesn't skimp on style, the Urban Armor Gear case is a standout choice. This case features a feather-light composite construction that's built to handle military-grade shocks, so your Pixel stays safe from drops and bumps. The design includes oversized tactile buttons and easy port access, making it as functional as it is protective. Plus, the scratch-resistant skid pads add an extra layer of security. The unique honeycomb pattern and sleek look give your phone a stylish edge, while the non-slip grip ensures it won't slip out of your hands. And yes, it's fully compatible with wireless charging, so you won't have to keep taking it off to power up. The Urban Armor Gear case is a go-to if you're looking for protection that doesn't compromise on style. If you're all about that sleek, minimalist vibe but don't want to compromise on protection, the Spigen Rugged Armor case is a top contender. This case nails the balance between style and substance with its slim profile and carbon fiber accents that add just the right amount of flair without overdoing it. But don't let the slim design fool you. This case is all about protection. Thanks to Spigen's air cushion technology, your phone gets military-grade shock absorption, so it's safe from the inevitable bumps and drops of everyday life. The raised edges around the screen and camera keep those crucial parts scratch-free too. Plus, the precise cutouts for all the ports, tactile buttons with a satisfying click, and textured sides make sure your phone stays securely in hand. For those who want reliable protection without the bulk, the Spigen Rugged Armor is a solid pick. Looking for a case that not only protects your phone but also lets its design shine? The Oxygen cover might just be what you need. Crafted from advanced German material, it not only enhances shockproof capabilities by 200%, but also resists yellowing and blemishes with an embedded nano antioxidant layer. Your phone stays pristine and elegant, just like the day you got it. When it comes to protection, this case is no joke. It boasts military-grade drop protection with a 3-ply buffer bumper and a rigid PC backplane. The built-in shockproof air cushion can absorb over 95% of impact force, guarding your device from falls of up to 15 feet. Plus, the Oxygen cover doesn't skimp on usability. With raised edges to protect the screen and camera, and a non-slip texture for a comfortable grip, this case combines maximal protection with sleek, minimalist design. Lastly, the Rokkor Onyx magnetic case. A solid value pick that brings a lot to the table. If you're looking for something that offers enhanced grip without the bulk, this case is for you. It's slim, lightweight, and features an anti-fingerprint texture. Perfect for keeping those oily smudges at bay. The built-in magnetic ring is a game-changer for anyone using MagSafe accessories and chargers, making it super convenient without sacrificing style. And let's talk about protection. The precise cutouts not only keep your camera lens safe, but also ensure easy access to all the buttons and ports. This case isn't just about function, though. The non-slip pattern and built-in lanyard holes give you that extra bit of security, reducing the chance of accidental drops. And yes, it supports wireless charging and works with phone grips, making it a versatile choice for anyone on the go. And that wraps up our roundup of the best cases for the Google Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL. Which one do you think is the perfect fit for your phone? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video, like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.